So before we get started, one thing I want to drop with us is that as much as possible, let's try to be consistent. Let's try to keep showing up on our charts, and if anything, for me, just like I do tell people, my plan A is trading, my plan B is trading, my plan C is trading. Like, I don't have any other plan because I've literally done my maths and I just feel like, okay, yeah, I might have I definitely have other job, but then the kind of money I'm looking for, the only place I can get it from is through trading, to be honest. I don't know about any other person, but for me, the kind of money I'm looking for, where I can get it is through trading, forex market, and that's on period. So without taking much of our time, I think we're just going to get started. We'll be looking at some pairs today. Let's see what we can have for the week. So this is GJ. As usual, let's start. Let's get our market direction from daily. Okay. Okay. So looking at GJ. I wouldn't really say GJ is bearish. I would say we're still bullish on GJ because right here, there was a break of structure. And this is daily, guys. If you are just joining us, we are analyzing GJ, GBP, JPY, pounds paired with Japanese yen. I think this was probably marked out of higher time frame, so I'll take it out. So this or another break of structure. So we might not really see it well now, but then by the time we move to lower time frame as 4 hours, we are going to be able to see what is really going on. So another break of structure happened there. So okay, let's see. Then we had this was a massive slash, taking out all of these lows here. Took out that. This was taken out as well. Okay. Okay. This low was taken out as well. So yeah, that was massive. Okay. So, however, let's read the inner structures. So, I'll see this as change of character, and this low, broken, break of structure, break of structure. So the origin that gave us this, if we are to check properly, we'll be mapping out level, the extreme supply zone. We'll be mapping out this level. Because looking at this, all of this order block here, I'm not seeing them. I'm not seeing so much validation in them. That zone I could have mapped out is this right here, which price already tapped onto. And there's one thing I'll be sharing with us, especially with our students. If you are part of Blue Trend FX Academy, I'll be sharing one or two things with us when it comes to order block this year. Once we have a order block and somehow price close above it, like this order block, what happened right here is that price close above it, and trust me, with that it means that this order block is not valid enough, meaning price might still come, push above. It means that this order block might not really deliver, because what I mean by might not deliver is that at every tap on order block, we should be expecting either a break of structure or the equal high or low for the high or the low to be protected. So in this case, I'm still anticipating, markets to still push forward to come to still push forward towards this level, this order block. That's what we are still expecting. That's the overall trend. However, let's just go and see what the market is saying right now. So just read the inner market structures for us to just get. That we have a break of structure. Yeah, that will be a change of character. change of character. Right here we have a break of structure. Okay, this is a break of structure, guys. Okay. So I think that's the last break of structure that we have. Ooh. Okay, I can see something else here. As tiny as it might be, it's still a break of structure. Okay. So for this break of structure that happened right here, the origin that gave us that is this. Repriced already tapped onto. I'm clearing the origin at the same time. It's cleared the origin. Meaning this market is not ready for a buy, if you ask me. We are still bearish on GJ for now. We are still bearish on GJ. So let's read the inner market structure. Right here we have okay, I'll see right here. You see how it takes time to just analyze our markets. That's because we are dealing with true money here, guys. So we are dealing with true money, and as much as possible, you have to be patient with our analysis. So that is a change of character. This we have a break of structure. Okay, so they've been having like other break of structures, you know, tiny break of structures to the side. But then, if you are to ask me, the last origin, the extreme origin that gave us this low, you see right here, and price has tapped onto it. The point of reversal, which was this level, is where our take profits will have been if we have been able to cash this trade. So meaning we're still waiting for price at this zone, at this level. We're still waiting for price at this level before we can know what next to do. So that being said, how do we join the market to this level is what we'll be asking ourselves. Although I think we have a tap on the order block, but not a valid change of character yet. Yeah, not a valid change of character yet. So we'll go on 30 minutes to look for our entry. I think it's time for me to upgrade my screen to like 60-inch monitor. Okay, so we'll be working with recent break of structures to the downside, guys. This is 30 minutes. We're trying to get entry to join the trend. So okay. So we have like different. This is a order block here. This is another order block right here. We have different origin. So once we have this kind of a thing, what should we do? Let's go to 1 hour. To have things something like this, we set our fib level, guys. We set our fib level. Once we have something like this, we set our fib level. Let's just hold on. Let's see. Okay. This is still a break of structure. Okay. So we need to set our fib level from this level to this level for us to get which of the other block we'll be going for. Okay. So this is in our golden zone, which is 15 and above. And if you ask me, we'll be waiting for GJ at this level. So some of us are actually on this buy as we speak from yesterday, since yesterday rather. Some of us are on this buy as we speak. So, but for us to join, to continue with the sell, this is the level we'll be waiting to sell GG. This is the level we'll be waiting to sell GG. So you can see how we take our time to analyze our trade, guys. We need to take our time to analyze the trade, and that's what we're doing. So we'll be dropping the coordinates. It's going to be a sell limit. It's going to be a sell limit, guys. Sell limit. Let's hold on. Let's see if we can refine it to what we have on 30 minutes. So this is what we have on 30 minutes, guys. 30 minutes, we have this. Let's see, 15 minutes. And we have our FPG right here present. Our FPG is present. So all confluences are in place, guys. Okay. Everyone is looking for accountability. Okay. So this should be our setup, guys. This zone might want to send GJ back down, but then I won't be interested in taking trades at this level because it's not on our golden zone. A plus setup only this year, guys. A plus setup only. A plus setup only. And I want us to be all accountable. We should not be relying on signals. It has to be all hands on deck. You can always drop setup on the group, we'll have a look at it. I personally, you can send me your setup, I'll have a look at it, give you my opinion. If it's a very nice setup, I'll let you know. If it's not, we'll make adjustments together. A win-win for everyone. Time waits for no one, guys. Time waits for no one. So, yes. So in case you are wondering where my stop loss is at the last week rejection, just slightly above the last week rejection, guys. Slightly above the last week rejection. And with this trade now, if this market should tap us in and decide to respect our analysis, this right here is a 1:11 risk reward ratio, guys. That's massive. That is massive, guys. Massive. That's a massive one. That's a 1:11. This alone can change lives. Okay. So I'll go ahead to drop the coordinates. We have a sell limit, guys. Sell limits on sell limits on GBP, JPY. Our entry price is going to be 194.447. So another thing I want us to, to do this, to add to our live session is our interaction. So probably starting from next week, we might be moving to either Zoom or YouTube, just so we can have that interaction. It's a live interaction section. As I'm analyzing trade like this, you can always, share your opinion in the comment section. You can always let me know if you have the same setup with me. Something like that, just to make the live session more lively. This year we have to be, we have to be lively this year. We have to be lively, we have to be happy. We have to enjoy ourselves this year, enjoy life, live life, one at a time, no dolly moments. Don't mind me, guys. For me, for this year, I'm all going to be on enjoyment this year. No time. So TP1, we have, let's see how we can break this down. So for TP1, we have a resistance level right here. So we'll be saying 190.933, 190.933. So for TP2, let's see. TP2, okay. There's a fair value gap somewhere around here. So 191.100. 191.100, yeah. 191.200. So for TP3, then we can target our point of reversal, which is about the 088. 190.088. So this is what we have. Well done, guys. Just gonna check something briefly. Okay, market is still ranging. It's still within the last Asian section. Let's hope that it's going to get to our zone and we can take our trade from there. Let's hope. Let's hope that's gonna happen. Let's hope that's gonna happen, guys. So because till now I still don't see any value change of character. No value change of character. Market is more like just ranging. If you check, it's more like ranging. It's in a box right now. Can you see? It's in a box right now. It's still ranging. No pure direction. So you have to be careful. So just wait for it at our zone. So you can go ahead to it. Although I'll be sending this on the group chat after this live session.